The White House and congressional Democrats are reportedly close to a deal on the Build Back Better plan, a social spending program that started at $3.5 trillion, but may end up at half that. Advocates, including some from Arizona, rallied in D.C. today to nudge Democrats on the plan, as Kimberly Silverio-Bautista reports from our Washington bureau.
Phoenix home health worker Joanne Steed has a first-hand look at the condition of healthcare in the U.S. and a belief that the Build Back Better plan could help with it, along with so much more.
And I say to myself, if you're going to get sick in America, be rich, because poor people die very poorly in this country under the worst conditions.
Steed was one of the hundreds of protesters who rallied on Capitol Hill today, demanding that the Democratic Party fulfill the promises it made on childcare, healthcare, and more. That was echoed by Beatriz Gutierrez of the Arizona Dream Act Coalition, who said Congress needs to include immigration reform in the package.
We're here to ask Congress to vote in favor of including the immigrants in the package, and we are here to ask Biden and the Vice President to fulfill their promises that they gave us that they were going to be with us, and they are not fulfilling it.
Immigration is just one of the sticking points on the package. It's the price tag that led Democratic Senators Kyrsten Sinema of Arizona and Joe Manchin of West Virginia to demand cuts. But Steed urged Sinema to look past the cost to the benefits.
I don't feel that Kyrsten Sinema has a pulse on Arizona. If she did, she would realize we have a fentanyl overdose crisis.
After protesting outside the Supreme Court, the demonstrators walked to the nearby Senate office buildings in hopes of delivering letters to Sinema and Manchin, but were turned away because the buildings are still closed to the public because of COVID.
I beg Kyrsten Sinema to see the goodness in this plan. Nothing is perfect. You can't cherry pick this bill. Just pass it, and then what doesn't work, we'll take out of the next 10 years from now.
Gutierrez says lawmakers should listen to the people, even though those who may not be able to vote.
We are asking, we are hoping. We cannot vote, but we can go out and register votes. We knock on doors so that people can go out to vote, and so that they could win and now be in the White House.
Democratic leaders say they hope to have a deal finalized this week. And a spokesperson for the Senator Sinema said the senator continues to work diligently to reach agreement on a plan. In Washington, Kimberly Silverio-Bautista, Cronkite News.